today is going to be different. So today is a really sunny day, probably the best day of the week, and it's really good to be here. It's been maybe 2 or 3 years that I didn't come to this specific place, which is nice. I'm gonna go explore, go walk around, and it's kind of a big park. You guys are gonna see, pretty cool. That's funny, we're having some different houses here around the mountain, including this one, which is a little bit weird. Not the type of house I would like to live in, but up to you if you like it. So I forgot to tell you guys that we are on a 50-minute hike around the lake. It's pretty cool so far. There's a lot of stuff and it's a nice area to walk. So that's one thing I like about Canada and Montreal especially, is that you could be in a city and then go outside 12 minutes by car and be in a completely different place, which is pretty cool. You would not see this in like China, where it's like big cities and only big cities. Although yes, like there's a few parks in China, but not as big as this one. Let me put a map for you guys to understand. This is a really cool viewpoint. I love it. Wow. Now that we've seen this nice viewpoint, I think we're on the way back, which is gonna end the walk, but let's see what we come across. After the hike, it's time for some coffee. And now on our way back, it's a 20-minute drive from here, so we'll go back and then look at some charts. And although I never enter trades on Sunday when the market opens, I like to do kind of an analysis of the higher time frame on the weekend and look at the zones that I want to trade for that week. So let's take a look and I'll show you guys what I see on the chart. This is just a major level at 0.98. This is AUD CAD. AUD GPY is bouncing on this small area of support. AUD NZD is doing the same at 1.10. The thing is, as much as I like to show you guys the charts and show you what I analyze and what I look for, I don't want you guys to rely only on what I do, because I think this is the worst state you can be in. A couple of years ago I was following someone that was putting some charts online and doing kind of a weekly review. But the thing is, every single week I had to look at that video to know what to trade. And I think that's not the right way to go. If you look for other people to show you what to do and kind of babysit every step that you take, you're always going to be in that state where you are looking for confirmation from other people. And that is not what you want to have at all. So, important part is to do your analysis on the weekend before the market opens, or at least analysis before you start to trade. That is very important. And I cannot stress that enough. I think it's probably the biggest thing that can really set you apart from other people. And you want to ideally have a notebook, everything you plan to trade, right? Those are things that you should know based on your zones. And if you have no trade for a pair, you just write it like no trade idea. This pair is not at a major level. I'm not gonna have to trade it, and you just don't trade it, right? It's pretty simple. But unless you do this, you're always gonna get caught up in the charts, always gonna want to place trades, and that is not the way to do it. That is the way to feel stressed all the time, looking for setup all day, searching for trades, looking at your chart every 4 seconds because you want to see setup, and it's not gonna work. So every single week, I write down these ideas right here. If I can trade these ones, I'll trade them. If I cannot trade these ones, I'll not trade them. It's pretty simple. You want to simplify your trading into one notebook like this, so that you know exactly what you're supposed to do in advance. And if something new come up, then yeah, you can write it here, right? Something you didn't see before, sure. But try it to make sure. I'll tell you guys, at the time you write something down, you are more likely to kind of reanalyze in your mind and rethink about the idea. I've seen people who write something on paper, and as soon as they write it, they say, oh, it doesn't make sense. I'm not going to take that trade. But if you don't take the time to write, you're going to be caught up here on the chart. It's going to be very frustrating. It's been a quick day outside, and I really loved it. I love to go in nature on the weekend or go downtown, like do whatever, as long as it's different than the computer, and that's cool. I just wanted to include this small segment, and I hope you guys enjoy. Anyway, subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. There's one every single day where I talk about trading and different topics, and I go around. And if you guys want to see more, make sure you subscribe. Comment below with your thoughts, right? We're a big family, I believe. And if you have anything to share, comment below. I do want to know. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Ciao.